Hey guys, it's Melissa from Practically Creative. I wanted to record this mail haul real quick before Mom and Pop come on because I want to go watch them. Let's see what came in the mail today. I got a package from Amazon and two things are in it. Seam guides. I'm going to try it. It's supposed to be a two-pack. It is. There's two in there. So I'm going to try and see if those help with my piecing. And I got a pair of scissors, Fisker spring-loaded scissors. These are the white version of the black ones that I have in my regular sewing room. I have some Live and Go ones, but I'm not loving them, so I replaced them with the Fiskers. And then I got something really awesome. Stephanie at Memoirs of a Long Arm Quilter sent me this. This is the door prize. This is the door prize I won from Stephanie a few days ago. And I have to find something to open this with. Let's use those old scissors that I don't like. I'm excited because I remember thinking, wow, look at all the stuff she's putting in that package. So I'm going to pull all of this out and show it to you guys. And I'm going to do it one at a time. Oh, she sent me a card. I will read that in just a couple of minutes, Stephanie, but I probably won't read it out loud. I got a purple thing, which you can never have too many purple things. A 120-inch retractable tape measure. Yay. I can use that when I'm quilting. One of these Soluble fabric glue pens. I've been wanting to try these out for a while, so I'm happy to have one. And it says it's to hold fabric together easier than pens. So thank you, Stephanie. You're going to let me try something new. A quilting bookmark. That's awesome. It's pink. It's got a little ruler down each side, but I'm good with that. A seam ripper. This is hot pink. I have one in a lighter pink, but I like it. And this has eraser on the ends so that you can use it to clean up loose threads or anything off of your fabric or off of your wool mat. I owe a video on that one too. Ooh, Stephanie, the best press, made it here just fine. The post office guy made her take it back home and put it in a Ziploc bag, and then in another Ziploc bag, and then make sure it was sealed up really tight. And it looks like either she taped it or the company taped it to make sure that the lid wouldn't come off. And then there's a paper towel in there. So I have a bonus from Stephanie of paper towel and two Ziploc bags. Those will come in handy in the quilt room, always. And then oops, almost missed the pen. I have a pen from her local quilt shop. It's like Quilt Lizzie. And this is, aw, when I make with my hands, I give of my heart. I like that. What's in this little box? 75 sheets. So it looks like note paper. Oh, I got to be smarter than the container. It is note paper. That's awesome. And that's pretty. Isn't it pretty? So I'm looking forward to using that. I'm always looking for a notepad. So I think that the pen and the notepad are going to go together right here by my computer because I'm always looking for one there. All right, and that's empty. So I got all these goodies that I get to play with. And I wanted to open it, like I said, before Mom and Pop's live. So I can play with them during their live. And then let's see. Aw, she sent me a thank you note. Stephanie. Aw, that's nice. Thank you so much for supporting Memoirs of a Long Arm Quilter. Congratulations on winning and some of my favorite sewing notions. I think that's awesome. And Stephanie, you have beautiful handwriting. Absolutely beautiful handwriting. All right, guys. So that's our mail haul for today. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. I will put a link in the description box to Stephanie at Memoirs of the Long Arm Quilter. Go check her out. She does amazing work. Um, I'm learning long arm and free motion techniques from her, and hopefully she can teach you something as well. But she's great fun to watch, and she's a blast whenever she's on. Y'all have a great day. Bye bye.